Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve backup on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve backup on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page, you can enter to this window of apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail and you can click. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching. Goodbye.